Are you ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Hey!
Come on.
Hey!
Let's go.
Hey!
Come on.
Hey!
Check it out. What is going on? Everything just seems so wrong. Yes. We've got to respond. Come on. And heal up this fractured bone. Stuck in the rut, mud in the mud. Now we're buckling into something corrupt. It's time to come to rendezvous and stop moving all slow like zombies do. Broken the beat, I see the sickness. Full of defeat,